Okay, so we know from the previous day's work, if we want to find slope from a graph, we can use 2 points and count rise over run. But there are going to be times where your points may not be integers, they may be decimals or fractions, or you can have such large numbers that it wouldn't be efficient to graph them. So if we're looking at these 2 points, when we're talking about rise, we know that that is a vertical distance and run is a horizontal distance. So let's look at these two numbers. From the graph, I would have to rise up 3, run 2, and it's a positive slope. If we look at the numbers, rise, we get an answer of 3. From 4 to 1, we get 3. How does that happen? Well, we say 4 minus 1, and that's equal to 3. Then if we look at the x-coordinates, 5 and 3, and our result was 2. So really what you're doing is you're taking the difference of the x's and the difference between the y's, and that gives you your slope. Okay, what if we choose different points? If we extend this line, we see that we have the points -1, -5, 1, -2, 3, 1, and 5, 4. So we also talked about how you can pick any 2 points on the line and it should have the same slope. If we pick the ones that are furthest from each other, we would start here and count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 over 6 simplifies. If we divide both by 3, we get 3 over 2 again. Now, let's check with a different set of points. If I have 5, 4, and -1, -5, if I take the difference of the y's, 4 minus a -5, over the difference of the x's, 5 minus a -1. We have to remember our integer rules. When you have two negative signs back to back, that makes plus. So we get 9 over 6, which reduces to 3/2.